Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to Home Utilities. Friends, mopping can certainly be a dirty, time consuming effort. So you will need the best, most efficient tool for the job. In today's video, we will see different mops and their features. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for future video updates. Let's start the video. Spray mop. This 4-piece cleaning mop for home made from aluminium and microfiber. The 4 parts mop pole, microfiber pad, mop head and water storage tank are easy to assemble and use. It has a 360-degree rotating mop floor cleaner frame which moves with ease in all the corners of the floor without stucking anywhere, giving full floor coverage for home cleaning. Great advantage of this mop is no need to carry heavy water bucket around you. O-Cedar self-wriggling mop. It comes with push foot pedal to wring and provides hands-free wriggling. Its microfiber threads help in deep cleaning by removing and absorbing the dirt and grime. Its telescopic adjustable handle make the cleaning easy and triangular shaped mop head reaches to the corners for proper cleaning. The bucket comes with splash guard, keeps splash and sprays inside the bucket. Single bucket spin mop. Triple XL round mopping pad carefully manufactured with microfiber carpet material which ensures superior mopping experience and ability to clean tough surfaces. Unique schizo technology ensures both cleaning and wriggling in the same bucket. The bucket has brush which cleans the mop while rotating and with basic up and down movement the mops get dry. It takes 60% less water to clean. This light sturdy bucket can be carried around the house ensuring you are able to clean your house faster. Steam mop. The 7-in-1 power cleaning mop is designed to make everyday cleaning easier. It provides hand-free functioning by releasing steam continuously without the need of pressing a trigger or button. This ergonomic mop is a modern solution for easy cleaning. The powerful steam cleaner can be used to clean your floors, mirrors, bathroom fittings, tiles, and more. The auto select feature automatically adjusts the amount of steam based on the surface that is being cleaned. Lift and clean round mop. Most mops push the dirt and spread the mess around, which lengthens the cleaning cycle. Superior microfiber picks up 50% more dirt and fine hair, ensuring you a spotless clean floor with no dirt. Lift and clean design will force the front portion of the round mop head 90 degrees upwards, making it easy to mop the corners and wall parapet. X-shaped flat mop. X-shaped design can easily push the microfiber pad into corners, furniture feet, grooves and any corners that are hard to reach. You never have to stick your hands into a dirty mop to squeeze out excess water because the design of mop does it for you. It is easy to rinse and wring without staining The hands-free X-type microfiber floor mop is lightweight and has easy to expand handle for cleaning hard to reach places. Self-cleaning flat mop. Deep cleaning magic wand with 360-degree swivel mop head makes it easier to reach under furniture and around sharp corners. No more hurting your back just to clean your floors. With 360-degree rotating action, you are provided with flexibility, reach and maneuverability. Clean in any direction at any time while being easy to use. Picks up dirt, dust and grime at every turn. And cleaning the mop head is even easier than ever. Dip the mop head in the bucket and it expels the dirty water. Its friendly grip makes holding the mop more comfortable and easy to use. Butterfly mop. Butterfly mop is suitable for mopping all kinds of floor. The unique squeezing action and handle locking mechanism increases efficiency. It features a telescopic handle that ensures better cleaning. It provides complete squeezing with unique butterfly squeezing mechanism. No need to wring dirty water with hand. The sponge picks up even smallest of dust particles and it also absorbs large amount of water with ease. Triangular dusting mop. This ergonomical triangle shape allows you to clean deep into the corners of the room and easily pull out any trapped dust or dirt. It has powerful cleaning action and enables you to clean quickly with no streaks or residues left behind. This sweeper dust mop head is detachable, easy to use and washable. It is ideal to pick up unwanted dust without scratching or damaging any surfaces. Microfiber fan duster. Microfiber duster. The microfiber duster picks up dirt, dust and hair like a magnet. The material of the head is a microfiber and the pole is made of stainless steel. Microfibers became electrostatically charged with use, thus attracting more dust. Get rid of dust, pollen, animal hairs, and all bad particles that can affect your health. Flexible head is great for car, window blinds, ceiling fans, walls, and bookshelves. Long plastic handle allows you to reach hard to reach corners. So friends, these are the latest and best mops. Hope you liked the video and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.